I started my truck up, guys, and turned the heat on high. It's so cold out to melt the snow out the window. Now I come back in the vehicle, guys. I open the door, and it looked as if someone let a smoke bomb off in here, guys. Oh my goodness, and the smell was awful. I've been getting weird noises from this blower for about maybe 3 or 4 months, guys. Now I pushed it to the limit, guys. Now it's time for me to change it. Finally went out, guys. The blower won't do anything right now. It won't budge. Let me show you guys what it's doing. And the new blower just arrived, so we're gonna install this thing really quickly, guys. This is a 1999 truck. Let's move my plow thing out the way. So let me get the key so I can show you guys that I don't have no heat. It's been freezing outside. Nothing. No heat. Nothing. The blower is located here, guys, on the passenger side. We're gonna swap that out. Let's turn this off and get this changed out. First thing we want to do, let's remove this glove box. Let it down. Push this in. Get the stopper from over, and it should just pull out of place. Those hook into here and over here. So let's get this out of our way, guys, and let's get some light in here. There's the blower. So we want to remove this cover over it, which just has a tab back there. I'm gonna lift that plastic tab up. Zoom back out. Lift it up and pull that back. We can't remove that cover yet, guys, because you got 2 plugs. So let's get those removed. Now, purple one just slides off. The other one, I'm gonna get over, come under here. Go. Push that pin in. Got that off. Move those plugs out of our way. Now we should be able to pull this cover from off of this housing. All right, there, the culprit. So we're gonna remove this hose, snatch it out of there, because we're gonna use this. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts holding this. 7 32nd screws. Oh, first thing we have to remove this, guys. 7mm, guys. Okay, ground on. Let's get it back installed. Okay guys, that's it. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we got heat now. Let's see if the fan is working. Let's go low. I don't hear anything. So let's check the fuse, guys. Let's see if the fuse blows. Guys, after checking all the fuses, everything checked out fine. I also got my multimeter out and checked for power, and I wasn't receiving any power to the blower. And the relay, it did click when I turned the key for it. So the relay probably was functioning right. I have to test it as well, but here it is. You can hear it click now. I turn the heat on high, you can hear it click. But when it clicks, it doesn't send any voltage to my multimeter, guys. So yeah, after testing, guys, that lets me know that I possibly had a bad resistor, and we're gonna swap that out right now. Guys, the relay job is only to work when the fan is turned on high. It gives the blower full power, guys, opposed to when it's on a lower setting. This is works strictly off the resistor, and we're gonna change out the resistor. I think the switch is fine. I hope the switch is not bad, but now we're gonna change out the resistor. And let me show you guys where is that. Well, let me first show you guys. Guys, it's so cold out. We got so much snow. We got a foot of snow, and it's been bitter cold. And let me show you guys. It's been bitter cold outside, and to have no heat or defrost has been awful in this truck. So I hot wired it. Just hooked it. The ground is connected. This is the ground. And I ran me hot to the main plug. Down in there. I ran me hot there and ran it across to actually the fan, to the fuse that runs the fan. So I ran into the fuse that runs the fan. So every time I turn the key for it, it works. Of course, it only works on high. But I got heat, and it sucks because it's only on high. So we're gonna change out this resistor now. It just came, guys. And let's get this resistor changed out. I'll show you guys where it's at. Okay, here's the resistor part number. Suburban part 973-003. Here it is. The removal of this, guys, is hard. That's the hard part with this job, and removing it. So it sets in like so, and we're gonna compare it to the old one. But let me show you guys where it's at. Got a long flathead screwdriver. Pull that plug out. Don't need it. There it is, guys. I'm gonna pull that plug off. There's two 7mm bolts. It just don't have much room up here. So I got this small ratchet, quarter-inch ratchet, and I hope I'm able to get this one up here because I can turn this one by the handle and unscrew it, which will be way, way better. I'm gonna try to get that plug up out of here. It's coming. Let's see if this will work. Such a tight space, guys. All right, we got one of them. Okay, guys, let's pull it up. Stuck in here, kind of. plug out my way, I can pull it up. All right, get the plug out of the way now. Yeah, I can't tell if anything's bad on this. I don't see anything. Well, maybe. All right, we just gonna replace it, guys, and hope for the best. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to one-hand this again. Fits down in that. Those grooves. Plug it up. Alright guys, I'm plugged up. Now let's get the relay plugged up. And work with the fan. Let me plug the relay up, guys. Alright, the relay is back plugged up. Bolts in here. The back bolt broke off. So before I bolt it down, let's hook the fan up the right way, guys. All right. Okay, guys, let's see what's going on. Let's see what we got. Let's see if that's solved our issue and we got heat the right way. I'm gonna turn it off first. We'll start the vehicle. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see what we got. I hear the fan. I hear it. I hear it. No how though. So, the relay is also bad, guys. The relay is also bad. That's okay. I'll take this. So I gotta get another relay too, guys. Relay is also bad, but we working. So we had quite a few bad parts. When that fan went bad, when the old fan went bad, guys, and when I got in the vehicle and it was smoking extremely bad, I fried out a few things. I damaged the blower's already gone. I damaged the resistor and also damaged the relay. So got to get a new relay so we can have a high setting working properly. But this is fine for right now, guys. I don't got to have it on blast. Hot wire. So let me put everything back together, guys. I'll get another relay soon. I'm done with this video. I hope you found this video helpful, guys. I got heat the right way now, guys, without running or jumping the blower off. So if you found this video helpful, guys, subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit that notification bell so you guys be notified when I upload all new content. Got a lot of good stuff coming. Terrence, I'm out.